Hey, here we are at Great Furniture Deal to showcase one of the oldies but goodies. We brought slip covers back. You've seen that we have in this whole collection lots of different configurations and options in slip covers. We've noticed that there's really a void in the market for slip covers, and so we bought this as a made-to-order, made in the USA slip cover option. You can see we make it in slightly different arms, configurations. We have sofas, love seats, chairs, swivel rockers, really comfortable. But if you're looking for that slip cover look in a sectional, a chair, a sofa, we have all those options here. Check us out here at Great Furniture Deal to get your slip cover options at affordable prices, something that you're really gonna like. We'll show you just really how comfortable this is as we showcase this sofa here. But as you sit in here, you'll notice you're sinking into it. So if you're liking the slip cover look, this is it.